Mounting your LED neon sign. Step 1. Mark the spots on the wall where you want the light. Step 2. Drill the hole for the screw or wall anchors. Step 3. Place the anchor inside. Step 4. Drill the screws through the metal cylinders and into the wall anchors. Keep in mind that there are 2 shock bands to help press the acrylic gently into the mount. Step 5. Tighten the screws into the metal cylinders. Step 6. Connect the light to the AC. Step 7. Connect the regulator to the outlet in the wall. And finally, Step 8. Turn the switch on.